Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Craft Videos. I hope you all fine. In this collection, you see the top trending and most amazing designs of the Easter festival. If you like Easter crafts, if you like Easter wears, if you like Easter decoration ideas, then you subscribe my channel because outstanding and most rewarding designs of the Easter are available on my YouTube channel. Best ideas, best selection, best collection on EasyCraft videos is one of the best channel on YouTube that provides you the most stunning and adorable designs of the Easter decoration ideas. Amazing collection, amazing selection. So I think this collection is very useful for you. Updated designs, not repeated, not old. All designs are so creative, so amazing, and happy Easter 2022. Thank you so much, guys, to appreciate my YouTube channel, to like my YouTube channel. Uh, Amazing crafts, ideas, amazing designs, no repeated, no old, and please share with your family and friends. And amazing collection for the Easter. So take care and bye bye.